Ever wondered why Rust-Oleum spray paint is the secret weapon of DIY enthusiasts around the world? Well, it's so cost effective and it's so easy to use. Rust-Oleum has you covered with their range of spray paints to use on a variety of surfaces in and around the home. Whether you're working on home decor, upcycling, arts, crafts, automotive projects, or DIY renovations, spray paint offers a convenient, efficient, and versatile solution for bringing your creative ideas to life and transforming even the most simplest household items. From the latest spray paint innovation, the new Custom Spray 5-in-1, which has 5 custom spray patterns giving you ultimate control and confidence, to the best general purpose range of 2X Ultra Cover that has a wide range of colours for almost any surface, and finally the universal range for those one-of-a-kind metallic and hammered finishes. Spray paint just got easier with Rust-Oleum. Ranges available at Bunnings and all good paint stockists. Rust-Oleum, transforming and protecting surfaces with trusted quality and innovation since 1921.